In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube translation not working. So within the YouTube app, if you're having issues with translating videos, in this video, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the app of YouTube and head over to the app icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. You can simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, make sure you remove the YouTube app from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to use a browser with your mobile phone or with your desktop as well, because sometimes what happens is mobile apps have restricted language support for translation, so you can use a computer in these situations. So sometimes, as I said, certain videos would not be supported in mobile for translation. So in this situation, you just need to switch to your desktop or your browser and the translations should start to show up. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.